I hope you're ready because today we're unboxing our most irresistible box set yet. It's a limited edition, just 40 pieces, and it's a Hinze and Tono lens collaboration, exclusively available here at Pin Chalet. Let's take a look at the pin. This is the Hinze L24 model, and the version featured in our Love Potion 25 box is Eternal Flame. It's a beautiful resin made by Starry Night Resins, and they replaced the traditional pin clip with a genius little roll stop. It is the most dainty power move I've seen yet. Each pin is numbered, so your pin's number is featured on the finial along with the collab details. I love how perfectly this Eternal Flame resin fits in with the Love Potion number 25 theme. The Eternal Flame L24 features a gold-plated number 6 stainless steel nib with the Hinze logo embellished there on it, and it is a cartridge converter fountain pen. It's compatible with standard international size ink cartridges or converters, but it does come with that converter already installed in the pen. The cap is threaded, the section matches the barrel and cap, and you can post the pen. All right, let's move on to the ink. This is a Pin Chalet exclusive Tono and Limbs Love Potion number 25 fountain pen ink. And it's a fiery red-orange base with a golden shimmer. To finish off the writing set, we have paper clip sets for you. We have a pair of love in gold and a pair of hearts in red. Hopefully you enjoyed getting a look at the new exclusive writing box set here at Pin Chalet, the Hinze Pens and Tono Lens collaboration, Love Potion number 25. As I said before, they are limited to 40, so if you missed it, I'm sorry, but go check it out and see if there's any left. Just visit pinchalet.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.